credit repair and business credit enhancement from DocumentWhiz.com. Credit is a wonderful thing to have and a terrible thing to use, but your credit score impacts everything in your life, from your insurance cost to card loans and especially to home loans. Business loans are even more dependent upon good credit. There's long-term loans, short-term loans, working capital loans, lines of credit are all types of business loans that have variable costs dependent on the credit scores. Raise your business credit improves your profits. Dr. Pete raised his credit score over 100 points in less than 6 months. Reed raised his credit score over 100 points also in less than 6 months. How's your FICO score calculated? Payment history, 35%. Amount owed, 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. Types of credit, 10%. And new credit, 10%. Document Whiz specializes in personal credit repair and business credit enhancement. As of May 5th, an 800 plus credit score rate for a 30-year fixed lane, 6.6%, 740 credit score, 6.9%, 640 credit score, 8.17%. If you want to restore your credit and save thousands over a 30-year period, you need credit repair. If you're a business owner, you need credit enhancement. Improve your credit, improve your profits. For more info, go to www.documentwiz.com or call 407-955-3534.